tension rising, light and shadow colliding. This is war. Ha! 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 Angels in the sky with their blades untold, guarding every heartbeat, shining bright and bold. Demons in the dirt with their hate so cold, crawling through the cracks just to take control. Whispers in my mind, pulling left and right. One speaks truth, the other sparks the fight. Every breath I take, I feel their chain, like I'm walking the line between peace and pain. Pressure in my veins, yeah, it's breaking through. Heaven calls my name, but the darkness listens too. With a fierce command, stand your ground, son, take back your land. But demons scream loud with the wicked grin. Open up your wounds, let the chaos in. Gravity pulling me down to the floor. I'm stuck between the fight of the myth and the lore. I feel their claws, I feel their wings. The rise of good and the fall of kings. Yeah, voices cut deep like a sharpened spear, but I won't bow down, not to doubt or fear. Who will break or save my life? Save my life. Save my life. I feel the chains, I feel the rain. I see the wings and horns attack. Light to the left.